Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm happy to finally be sharing with you my very last box that I did for 2024. This shoebox came with me to the processing center when I volunteered back in December, and this is for a boy 10 to 14. I really love this shoebox because my son came up with the theme for this. He knows I can't send camo or military inspired shoeboxes. He collects like the Lego toy soldiers, and he reads all the books that he can on military war history. He loves learning about World War I, World War II. And so he asked me if I could do a shoebox for the story of the Christmas Truce from World War I, when the Germans and the British stopped on Christmas Day to come together and play a game of football or soccer, and they sang Christmas songs together. So he asked me if I could combine soccer and Christmas to create that story of the Christmas Truce. So this is inspired by the military story, even though I can't put anything military in here, but I thought it was a really sweet idea that he came up with, and so that's why I'm putting soccer and Christmas together. A hygiene pouch with good quality hygiene items, and then his soft toy, it's a Christmas mint, but it reminded me of a soccer ball. And then I've given him a lot of different items that he can play with, like a hacky sack. And then I found an IKEA crank flashlight at my thrift store, and I did remove the tag from that flashlight. And as you can see, he also got a pop-out frisbee, and it literally popped out of the shoebox. Found for him a Rawlings brand soccer ball. I cannot remember exactly how much I paid for it, but I know it wasn't more than $5. And then something fun, I gave him some Elf Christmas socks. We love the movie Elf. We watch it every year. So I thought those were really fun. It might make him smile. This shirt I found for him, it's actually a soccer brand shirt. It was like, I can't remember, I think it was $25, I think, and I got it for $5 in the clearance section of Sports Check. And then this is special to me because the very first shoebox that I ever heard from was from a 10 to 14 boy, and I had given him that exact spin light up spinner. And when I heard back from him, he told me, or his mother told me, that that was one of his favorite items in his shoebox. So I get those for $1 at Dollarama. And then this fun Rubik's Cube that looked like a soccer ball to me, so I thought he might have fun with that. And this is technically an earbud holder, but I just put his keepsake in here, and I did give him a matching. My son has the matching soccer bracelet, but his is black and white. And then there was a soccer whistle in there as well. I put one of these in every one of my Christmas shoeboxes that I did. Just a fun little bow to make it look more festive. A dual powered calculator, a good quality eraser. And then I love giving my older boys a math tin. And here's the picture instructions for his Rubik's ball. And then I put his special soccer stickers in here. They are of Messi, and you will see later on in the box I have something that's also Messi in here for him. And then I just added some extra things into the math kit for him. And then a pencil pouch holder. I just put a little golf ball push pin on there. And then there's some fun erasers in there. And I love that some of my soccer stickers came in saying football, because I know around the world it is known as football. So good quality scissors. And then some pens. And his pencils are Christmas related. And a Sharpie marker for his soccer ball. Now this is something that I haven't added before, I don't think, but I got this for my kids for their stocking stuffers. It came in bulk, and it is a type of putty, and there's a little Yeti in there. So I thought that was cute, and it would be something fun for him to play with. And then some washi tape in that black and white reminded me of a soccer ball. And then I just put some little fun squishies in there. Sharpener, and then a pair of underwear, a notebook for him, kind of goes with the Christmas tree in the back of his little Christmas truck, backpack, and then I've given him some poster putty, because he is getting a Messy signed poster as well as a Kane signed poster. Now I got these posters for $2 each off of Amazon. My son loves Ronaldo. He does not like Messi. So when I bought them in bulk, I just gave the Messi ones to the Shoebox because my son wouldn't want them. But I did buy them in bulk, and I thought it was cute how my son would have the Ronaldo soccer posters and he would have a Messi one. And then I did give him a few pictures that he could color. I had to add a little SpongeBob because my son also loves SpongeBob. So, and then I gave him 2 cards. I couldn't decide between the 2, and I did want him to have a little something that reminded him of the reason for the season. So I gave him both of the Christmas cards. And that is my shoebox for an older boy, inspired by my boy. And then again, I just put some more soccer stickers at the bottom of his shoebox for him to find. So I hope you like this. I hope you found it helpful for, theme ideas for an older boy. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. I hope you're looking forward to the spring coming, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care, guys.